Which study material should I refer? Now, there are ample of free resources available on YouTube and various other mediums that will help you to understand the concepts and accordingly start your preparation journey. But as far as the best material is concerned, I will be recommending you guys to use the IMS Learning Resources material. The material is not only comprehensive, but it is quite engaging that will help you to enjoy your entire journey till the date of the exams. Now, few highlights of the study material are: you get around 15,000 online questions in the form of benchmarking test, in the form of module test, and in the form of mock test across the major entrance exams. Apart from that, you get around 5,500 offline questions, wherein each and every chapter we have around 40 to 50 questions. And apart from that, the unique highlight of the study material is IMS provides you with the video solutions not only for the benchmarking test, for the module test, but the video solutions are provided for the major entrance exams like IPMAT Indore, Rohtak, and NMIMS NPAT test that will help you to understand the right approach and the strategy to solve the question in the best possible manner.